Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Himanshu Paliwal back with one more stunning GD topic, that is, should cricket be the national game of India or not? We have two spokesperson between us. One side Mr. Ashutosh is here, another side Dakshita ma'am is here. They both will express their point, they will put up their questions to each other, and I request to our viewers that we guys also are learner. So if you think that we have done any mistakes, then write that mistake in a comment section so that we can improve. And love and affection we are getting from each and every viewers on our videos. And the beautiful thing is that our viewers are actively participating in our each and every GD videos. So I thankful to all our viewers and subscriber. So are you guys ready?
Yes.
So without delay, I am directly going from this side. Mr. Ashutosh, please initiate this topic.
Sir, I think so. People feel much more connection with the cricket, and it is more entertaining than hockey. And if we talk about the craze in India, then we all know that cricket has more craze. Actually, cricketers are treated like a god in India. We call Sachin Tendulkar as the god of cricket.
Absolutely. Yes. Oh, wait. You have mentioned a very beautiful point for the cricket. That is, cricket is a part of our life as well. I can say that because cricket is not only the game; it is an emotion for Indians.
Yes.
Okay. Even though sometimes the cricketers are the role model of our Indians youth. Okay. So it is a very good game which for the youth. Okay. Any counter question, ma'am?
Yes. Cricket is the national game of England. So don't you think we are becoming slaves of British culture?
Nice.
Ma'am, if we talk about the Western culture, then we actually have adopted our daily routine and daily life with the Western culture. And cricket is just a game. We can't compare it with slavery or something like that.
Absolutely. Even though many countries have a national game of cricket. There are many countries. Australia and also. Yeah, ma'am. I think so. It's right time to start your perspective also.
Yes. I'll oppose this because it will directly discourage the inclination toward other sports. And my second point is future is never known by anyone. Today cricket is famous, but what if tomorrow other sports will come and it will become famous? People will again raise the demand to change the sports. And it is us who are responsible for making other sports famous. Hockey and kabaddi are also having great number of fans, but they are not getting proper direction to encourage those sports.
Absolutely, ma'am. Fantastic point mentioned by you that the Indians have many other games also, just like the hockey, kho, football, badminton. So if we give the importance to only one game, then it will discourage the players of other sports also. Any counter question, Mr. Ashutosh?
Ma'am, if we talk about the data, then approximately 800 million, it is the half of Indian population are watching cricket. So don't you think so? It must be the national game of India.
Yes, your question is very good. Many of the peoples are watching and cricket has huge number of fans. But there are other sports also, like if we say about kabaddi, then it is one of the very good sports and it has never lose any match. It has won every single match in World Championship.
Okay, so nice point mentioned by both of you. Really, it is a very interesting topic, guys. Even you may put your questions, unique points and creative points in the comment section also. So if I conclude this topic, then yes, cricket should be a national game of India. Why is it so? Because there is a craze in Indians. Even the cricket is not only game, it is an emotion. Even I personally believe that cricket is one of the game which attract the youth most. Even though we have seen that in IPL, Ranji Trophy, Irani Trophy, T20 World Cup and many more games, people are nowadays they have how can I explain the feeling that they love cricket more than them. Cricket is a part of the life. But other side, yes, there are other games also. What about hockey? What about football and our games which is invented by the India? So somewhere it will discourage the players' motivation and somehow the negative environment will create in the other sports also. But I asked one question to our viewers. What is your viewpoint regarding to cricket? Must write in a comment section. And one more thing, that is if you have any opinion, feedback, suggestion, then make sure in a comment section. Thank you so much, Mr. Ashutosh. Thank you so much, Dakshita ma'am. Keep learning, keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.